Hello, everyone on site giving us a wave. So we're going to walk around. We're working on this site in East Sussex. We were recently received an inquiry from a guy who found our website and was hoping that we could help him with a project that he was undertaking. He owned a farm and had some spare barn space that he no longer had use for and was converting it into 4 self-contained offices. Each of these offices, because they would be different businesses in each, would need their own private, secure Wi-Fi internet access. I'm just following our guy Orin round on site here. So as you can see, we're working away, and we've also got the plasterers here on site who are hot on our heels. They want to get their final fix of plaster on. So the goal here was to provide a cost-effective solution to be able to provide secure Wi-Fi internet ready for potential letters to view the premises and get these offices let out. So we've got Spike busily working away here, terminating cables ready to plug into the TP-Link. So everything that you see laid out here on the table will be installed at this site that I've walked around with you at, but today we're just focusing on the TP-Link. So let's get on and answer the question that everybody really wants to know: what's the TP-Link Jetstream 10V really like? To set up and manage the unit, the main way to access the TP-Link is through the URL center. The IP address of the device to access its web-based GUI. You'll find this in the client list of your router. The kit uses the free Omada controller app which you download, and it's free. From here you will be able to manage clients and monitor the network. So this little unit is quite compact. It's 20.9 by 12.6 by 2.6 centimeters. Looks very stylish in a metallic case. It is wall mountable and has silicone feet to sit on the edge of your desk if you want it to, but it doesn't appear to be rack mountable. But this can be solved by popping it in a tray and then in the rack. So before I hand you over to Spike and he's going to give you his guided tour around the unit, the overall opinion of this is it's a great price, solid, no fan, easy setup, so no real training, and the Omada interface is pretty clean. What is so special about this TP-Link? What are some of the features?
Okay, well, the feature I was looking for the most was this one here called VLAN.
Why is that?
Well, that stands for Virtual Local Area Network. Now, we're going to be deploying this switch in such a way that each suite won't be able to see the devices in the suite next to it. And we have 3 suites, so we have to create a minimum of 3 virtual LANs. This should be interesting. The next part about this switch that makes it so special is the fact that it offers advanced power to access points. So we're going to be coming off of the switch and moving on to an access point.
So could you just describe the setting that the customer has called in and wants your help in deploying this in?
Okay. The guy has bought a little industrial area that has got 3 suites needing redevelopment. Each suite will then be rented to the various business, and each suite is to have its own high-speed internet connection, but the main equipment will be supplied on site already as that business moves in.
So any other outstanding features of this?
Other than its compact size, because we're going to be putting it in a tamper-proof box, which you'll see later in the videos, it does have a cloud management system, which hopefully should make this nice and straightforward to deploy for us. And I've been told because it's business class with the Omada software, we should have no problems isolating all the clients off for each other and giving them the high-speed performance they need.
So can you take it out of the box? Let's have a look.
So in the box we have UK power lead, instruction leaflets and warranty card, a hefty power supply,
and the all-important bit of kit,
and the switch itself. So on the front of the switch you have all your ports. These two are fibre optic ports for your connections and backbone. These ports can be set with VLAN tagging, so each port can do a separate job, unlike a regular switch where each port does the same job. On the other side is the activity management lights. We'll show you more of these when the equipment is operational.
Fantastic. So I'm going to grab all my gear and go down on site with the guys and let's get this installed.